Akadwa kaladyo, bumalik kayo kalayo. Andaw kita dyo may tako, unlaw kito man adibay. Adibay! Woo! Woo! Kultura tayo dyan kabing.
In so now, with the joy and pride, I, the Governor of the Province of Benguet, officially declare Adibay Festival 2025 open. Thank you.
Sa hidya may kuwana kabaknangan, digan tibyagan anosan, warantoy ako dyan pansyatsahan.
This is a month-long celebration. So nga, we invite everyone. That is your way of showing love for Benguet. Yeah? You choose from the different activities. Ngam, I would like to special mention of November 14. Isuti may sanga insaganaan ni Sangguniang Panlalawigan members. Umay kayo, November 14, DJ Wangal Trade Fair.
Adibay! Woo!